Good morning and thank you for joining us for Friday's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about recent developments. Emily.
Oil prices slipped as investors weighed a report that OPEC Plus is discussing a production increase for July, stoking concerns that global supply could outpace demand growth. The S&P 500 struggled for direction after the US House of Representatives passed President Donald Trump's tax and spending bill, expected to burden the federal government with trillions of dollars in extra debt by a razor-thin margin. BlackRock's iShares Bitcoin Trust has seen its largest inflow in the past 2 weeks, as traders allocate to US spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds to scoop up the rocketing cryptocurrency. IBIT's May the 21st net inflows hit $530.6 million.
The euro-dollar pair saw moderate losses in the last session. The Williams indicator is in overbought territory. The Bitcoin-dollar pair skyrocketed in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The sterling-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The CCI is giving a negative signal. The Aussie-dollar pair edged lower in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal.
Investors should take note of the economic calendar over the next few days, as it brings forth a variety of high-impact and medium-importance events. These data releases may cause significant market shifts, impacting trading strategies and investor sentiment. Understanding these updates helps frame the broader market context. Reacting appropriately to economic shifts can be the difference between seizing opportunity and facing challenges.
We hope that you've enjoyed our Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.
Your trusted choice in online trading.